I got scared. There's a bird up there. Don't know if I let him out too soon, but he's stealth mode over there. So I'm not going to do anything, and I'm just hoping that he'll stay stealth mode until he knows when he needs to get out. And get away from him, Cardinal girl. Yeah, he's right there. But the birds saw him fly. So there's a cardinal boy and a cardinal girl and a robin right here. And I really don't want to see him get ate. I almost want to take him and put him back in. I don't know like what time of night to let him out because bats will eat him, and there's tons of bats in the field. So I thought it was like bedtime for birds. But he's stealth. He's camouflaged in there. If he stays just like that, I think he'll be okay until yeah. I'm gonna get the color back into it. There we go. I lost the color on it. There he is, right there. Yep. Alright, little buddy. Hi, little baby bunny. How are you? Hi, little baby. Hi. Bye-bye, little bunny. Alright. Maybe this is how you feel like when you're letting your kids go off to college or something like that. Yeah, I don't want to get any closer. I want them to just stay stealth because those birds were still out. But, okay.